Another great advantage of using BankFirst online banking on your mobile device is the money management tool. In this video, we'll explain how to use this tool within the BankFirst mobile app. You'll be able to build budgets from multiple accounts that help keep your finances in line. Building budgets. After logging in, you'll see the home screen. Tap More at the bottom of this page. From here, tap Money Management. On the Money Management screen, tap the icon with the small squares in the upper left-hand corner. From this toolbar, you can navigate to all your linked accounts, see your transactions, and analyze your cash flow and spending. To learn how to link an account, watch the Linking Accounts video in this series. To start building a budget, tap on the Budgets button in the Money Management menu. From this screen, you can tap the Auto-Generate Budgets button to have the service analyze your existing spending categories and make budgets for you. Or you can tap the Start from Scratch button to set dollar amounts yourself for each spending category. Regardless of how you develop your budgets, BankFirst Online Banking enables you to take control of your finances, wherever you go, from your mobile device. BankFirst's online banking service always makes managing your money a breeze. As always, we're glad to have you as one of our valued customers. BankFirst, loyal to Oklahoma, loyal to you.